Hello, my name is Laura Natalia Rivera Curacas. Today I am going to talk about Montserrat, one of the most famous tourist attractions in Bogota, Colombia. Monserrate is located in Bogota, Colombia. It is situated on the eastern hills of the city and is one of the most visited places by tourists and local people. Monserrate is a beautiful and impressive mountain. It has green landscape, fresh air, and a wonderful panoramic view of Bogota. It is also an important rich and cultural place. In Montserrat, visitors can find a church, restaurant, souvenir shop, and walking trails. People can reach the top by cable cars, funicular, or on foot. The Sankucharit is the most important attraction. I chose Montserrat because it is one of the most iconic places in Bogota. It makes me feel peace and happy. I love the amazing view of the city and the natural environment. I recommend visit Montserrat because it is a wonderful place. Thank, thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.